He is in the living room. He is in the living room. She works as a nurse. She works as a nurse. Give me 2 glasses of water. Give me 2 glasses of water. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? He doesn't look like a doctor. He doesn't look like a doctor. He is very famous. He is very famous. 100 per day will cost. 100 per day will cost. This is a nice place. This is a nice place. Whose child is this? Whose child is this? Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Who brushed the balloon? Who brushed the balloon? Make it sure that you have lunchbox. Make it sure that you have lunchbox. I have a word with you. I have a word with you. Don't forget to call me. Don't forget to call me. I am taking a bath now. I am taking a bath now. Are you all right? Are you all right? There is an old office over there. There is an old office over there. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? What is the total price? What is the total price? How much altogether? How much altogether? Where is it? Where is it? The roads are slippery. The roads are slippery. Is the post office far? Is the post office far? Where is she? Where is she? That means friend. That means friend. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. What made you in hurry? What made you in hurry? I will see you at home. I will see you at home. Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't play in the sun. Don't play in the sun. Get ready for school in 15 minutes. Get ready for school in 15 minutes. Tea is fairly hot. Tea is fairly hot. It has become much warmer. It has become much warmer. Can you mail these for me? Can you mail these for me? What is the price of this cap? What is the price of this cap? I am worried too. I am worried too. I need some paper. I need some paper. May I have a picture? May I have a picture? Can I get a picture? Can I get a picture? This is my brother. This is my brother. It's not very expensive. It's not very expensive. All were present except you. All were present except you. He is a good man. He is a good man. It's raining. It's raining. What does it mean? What does it mean? Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. This is good news. This is good news. You can call me. You can call me. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.